Hello everyone. In this lesson you will learn 7 different meanings of the verb raise. Let's begin. 1. The basic definition of this verb is to move or lift something to a higher level. For example, please raise your hand if you have any questions. The assistant referee raised his flag for offside. She raised the cup to her lips. Meaning number 2. To increase something, such as prices or taxes. For example, the government has promised not to raise taxes. Meaning number 3. To improve the quality or standard of something. What can be done to raise standards in our schools? Meaning number 4. To make someone have a particular emotion or reaction. For example, his answer raised doubts in my mind. I don't want to raise your hopes too much. Meaning number 5. To begin talking about a subject or a question. The case raised some critical questions. It was time to raise the subject of money. Meaning number 6. To collect money for a particular purpose. We are raising money for a cancer charity. We need your help to raise money for the repairs to the school. Meaning number 7. To take care of children or young animals while they are growing up. For example, I was born, raised, and educated in the United Kingdom. I was determined to raise a godly child with no distractions. If you want to learn the difference between raise and rise, click over here.